What if I told you that just 5 minutes every morning could completely change your entire day? Not coffee. Not scrolling your phone. Just you and your breath. Let's try it right now, together. Find a comfortable position. Sit up tall, rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and a slow breath out through your mouth. You just took the first step toward owning your day, and your body begins to relax as your mind gently disconnects from the noise. Inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Feel the tension just melting away with every breath out. One more time. Inhale, hold, and exhale, letting your nervous system slow down and your mind become a little quieter. Now bring your attention to your body. Feel your feet on the floor, your back against the chair. You are here. You are safe. There's nowhere to rush. These next few minutes belong entirely to you, and you may notice a growing sense of presence and grounding. Now think about this. How do you want to show up today? Calm? Focused? Full of energy? Pick one word and say it quietly in your mind. That's your anchor for the day. Hold on to it, letting it bring you a sense of clarity and gentle direction. Picture your ideal day. Not a perfect day. No problems. No stress. But a day where you handle things. Where you feel steady. Where you actually like how you show up. Stay in that feeling for a moment, as your mind starts to align with this version of you. Think of one thing you're grateful for right now. It can be something small. The warmth of your home. The quiet of the morning. The simple fact that you woke up. Feel it in your chest, allowing that feeling to softly lift your mood. Take a deep breath in and imagine pure, bright energy flowing into you with every inhale. It fills your chest, your belly, your arms, your mind. You are recharging, feeling a gentle sense of fullness and lightness inside. One more deep breath. And on the exhale, smile. Just smile. Even if it feels a little silly. Your body doesn't know the difference. And it begins to respond as if everything is okay. Slowly start to notice the room around you. The sounds, the temperature of the air. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. coming back softly and comfortably. You just gave yourself 5 minutes. And your day already started differently because of it. If this felt good, save this video. And come back to it every morning. I'll see you tomorrow.